Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can find the hidden ear speakerphone on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now if I turn this device around, you can see at the top here there is a small tiny gap. It is really hard to see, but the ear speakerphone is just above the camera right here. Now I cannot even get my fingernails inside this gap. It is very small. But if I inserted this piece of plastic, clear plastic, into the gap right here, you can see I can actually put this piece of plastic wrap right in. So you can see right here, that's the corner right there. Now I can insert it right in. Maybe that will be a few millimeters, maybe up to say half a centimeter to close to 1 centimeter. So right here is where the ear speakerphone is, at the top of the camera. So there is a small gap right here, and that is where the sound is coming out from. And at the top here there is a small hole for the microphone. So this is where your loudspeaker is. So if you have your Samsung Galaxy S23 on stereo, it will use the loudspeaker at the bottom here, as well as the one from the top. So here it is. So that is the ear speaker right there. It is very small. You can't actually see it easily. It's right here. This is a very tiny gap. So you can see up here there is no gap, but when we go down to this part there is a small gap right here. Zoom it right in so you can see the gap is very tiny, but basically it's right here. It stopped right here, and then there is a small gap right here. You can see where it indents a little bit right there. That is the part where the speakers, the sound coming out from the speakerphone. Now with this gap here, you need to be very careful when you are putting on a screen protector that uses liquid adhesive technology. When you are not covering this part up, and if the liquid adhesive overflow and go into this small gap, it can cure it, and then it will block the sound from coming in or out of this speaker. So once the adhesive go in here and dry up, it will definitely block this gap right here, and you will not have a very good quality audio coming out of this speaker. Also, from time to time, when you have a case on your phone, dust and other debris could find their way into this gap. So make sure you regularly clean this speakerphone and allow no dust or sand, tiny sand or other fragments getting into this small gap, the ear speakerphone on top of the camera. But basically that is where it is. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.